Acme beef flavored donut, not like that ordinary donut. Look at these lovely donuts. Oh, they smell so nice and they're very good for you. Highly nutritious, very good to eat. And I am glad that you stopped by the Acme because I want to demonstrate for you how you can make these donuts for your own self at home. So look, come on in, let me show you what to do. Come on over here, let me show you how we make a donut. We do donut in the finest ingredients. It helps build strong body 12 ways. It's a wonder in a way. But you come on over here, I told you how to make one. Yeah, I can make donuts. They're not only delicious, they're highly nutritious for you. We use only the finest ingredients. First of all, we start with whole wheat white flour. That's right, wheat white flour. Not that good stuff that you say. It's brown, and it got whole wheat, germ. But we don't use that. We use wheat white flour. See, wheat white. And what we do is, we take a little bit at a time and put it in the mix. And we just do like that one time, just a little dance. So you know you got wheat white flour in alright? And the wheat white flour, say it's not wheat white enough for you. Well, take a little bleach, just a little bit now. And you take a little bleach and pour it in there, and it bleach all the brown stuff out, and then wheat white flour. Now, our next ingredient is we use only the freshest iguana eggs. Now, make sure that you get fresh iguana eggs. Make sure they're green. Green means more vitamin D. Vitamin D. Okay? So, you take fresh green iguana eggs, put that guy in there like that. The reason you put it in there like that so that it mixes up well and it maintains the vitamin D. Vitamin D. Iguana, green, equal vitamin D. There you go. Now, our next ingredient that we use only the finest pink cow milk. Now remember this, it must be from a pink cow. Pink cow milk means more vitamin D. Pink cow milk. So you use pink cow milk, vitamin D, very good for you. Now, next ingredient, we use sugar. Or you say, hey, how can it be sweet without sugar? Well, you are right, it cannot be sweet without sugar. So, we take just the measuring cup, put sugar in the measuring cup, sit it down and just pour 5 pounds of sugar in every batch. That's right, 5 pounds of sugar equal more vitamin D. Alright then, now we almost ready. We almost, but not quite, because there is one ingredient that we must add for the moiness of Acme beef flavored donuts. Acme beef flavored donuts. And that's beef fat that you love so much but just cannot afford. So you make sure it's the last ingredient, but make sure that you add the beef fat that you love so much but cannot afford. Because what? Beef fat equals more vitamin D. More vitamin D. So you take you some beef fat and you just throw it on in there, just like that. Throw that beef fat in there. Get in there, beef fat. Say, get in there, beef fat. You have to talk to your beef fat because that makes it what? More vitamin D. So you add your beef fat and there you're gonna have you some nice tasty Acme beef flavored donut. You oven and you have the most delicious donuts you ever tasted in your life. So look here, come on in the oven. So if you say you want something sweet, but with a lot of protein, then try my new beef flavored donut. Tell them that Oscar May sent you. Okay? Shalom, my friend.